Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix call ended problem on Android. So let's get started. So if you are facing this problem, like you are in the middle of a call and suddenly you will find a message which says the call has been ended without you ending the call or just turning it off or cutting your call. So if you are facing this kind of problem, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps and you can fix it. So now what you have to do is just simply open up your phone application, and after opening up your phone application, first you have to check about your data plan. So sometimes you don't have enough or sufficient balance on your SIM, and due to that you will face this problem. And if you don't have enough balance, then basically it will cut your calls. So what you have to do is just simply go ahead and check if you have enough balance on your SIM. But if you don't, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then recharge your SIM card, and that should fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply come back and then tap and hold on your phone application and tap on the eye icon which you can find. After tapping on that eye icon, just simply tap on storage and cache, and then from here you just have to clear cache, and after clearing your cache it will fix any issues or bugs that you have on your phone application. So just simply go ahead and then do this, and this should fix your problem. So you can also clear your storage if you want. So by clearing your storage, it will just clear every single information that is in your contacts. So if you will clear the storage, most of the time that will fix the problem. But if that didn't fix your problem, then you can just simply restart your device. So just tap and hold on the power button and then tap on restart, and that should fix the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix call ended problem on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.